All right, guys, I got about an hour. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grease the machine up, put the log splitter back on the mini excavator, and I'm gonna finish splitting these large rounds that are on the ground that I did yesterday. And we'll try to fit them all up in the trailer or next to the trailer. So when I start splitting wood in a day or two, or whenever I get to it, it'll be easier to access and out of the dirt and mud. All right, well, I got the machine warming up, so let's throw some grease in it. right, guys, so I'm gonna call that a wrap. I got trailers completely full. When you cut your logs at 18 inches and you have an 18-inch bucket, I got one stuck in there, so I got to take a chainsaw and cut it out probably tomorrow or the next day. But I got all this ready to go. So I got this pile that didn't fit in the trailer, and then I got the trailer about 8 feet tall. Maybe 7.5 feet tall, all the way up. Those are still some big pieces, but better than they were before. And 2 pieces fell off to this side. Not bad. All right, one thing I noticed on my splitter, I think I lost those 2 little pieces that go inside here, the little 5/16 metal. I think they fell. This splitter is not made to go upside down. It's made to go vertical and horizontal, with a splitter being on the upside. So I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna actually weld plates to this, I think. And then that would, because this is a guide to keep it going straight. And right now it has that much play in it because it's missing one of the pieces, I do believe. So, and then if you saw the hydraulic leak that blew all over the place, this hydraulic fitting just loosened up. That's all it was. So I just tightened that up. But anyways, all right, that's another good for today. All right, guys, I'm done. I'm gonna wrap it up here on this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That splitter is working good. I don't know what, it cost me, what, $300 for a garbage splitter and the bucket ears, throw some bucket ears on it. It was working good. Otherwise, all that wood would have been garbage. It's just so big you can't lift it. So little by little, I'm getting into there. And then once I get into there, I'll dig all that wood out. I have a whole bunch of firewood down there that my neighbors cut down. They were my trees, but they cut them down. They stacked them down there. I got to pull out of there. But my goal is to take up these rhodies, some of these rhododendrons, and put them over here so you can't, it kind of blocks it from the street. That's the whole point of it. And then I can dig that out and gravel that and do all the wood in back there where it's not next to the road, and I won't care about the mud because I want to stone all that so I can make that parking spots. All right, well, I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out some of the other videos. See you on the next one.